Hi, my name is Joshfortech, and I'm going to be having an interview with Mr. Olayinka. So, Mr. Olayinka, can you kindly introduce yourself and what you do?
Thank you. My name is Olayinka Peter. Software engineer to focus on machine learning at Semicolon Africa. So I sort of like also double as an instructor for advanced courses, machine learning, data science at Semicolon.
So you do machine learning and testing. Is that what you're specialized in?
Yes.
So, can you share your experience in your space so far?
Okay. My experience in my space so far, I'd say it's been quite quite exciting, quite challenging, and I think that the fact that it's challenging is why it's is also fun. Uh, the process of you know identifying a particular problem and trying to solve that problem using um, tools and technologies in machine learning, as well as implementing these particular technologies with software engineering and stuff. Yeah. So, the experience has been amazing. The growth, the teams, the projects themselves has been really interesting, and I think that I've learned a lot so far.
So, you've learned a lot so far in your machine learning experience and AI experience. So, can you share some of your best moments working in your field?
Yes, definitely. So I think that such high times are sort of like the most memorable times, right? So sort of like in one's career, you sort of like have, some certain scenarios in your mind that sort of like tell a lot, and if you think back on, and then you still feel the same excitement as you felt, and all of that, joy. Um, yeah, and such moments are when, there's probably this difficult task, right? Or, and then it's usually related to sometimes trying to find enough data or trying to, look for extra features for a particular, um, problem of, predicting something. So a simple scenario was when we were working on this, small project for risk analysis, yeah. And then because of the fact that we're trying to tailor it to Nigerian, customers or Nigerian users, Nigerians, right? The data sets, the open source data sets that were available were data sets of other countries, Germany, the US, the UK, and all that stuff. And so trying to make it, trying to trying to localize that kind of data was really difficult. And so we had to sort of like create sample data, right? And I think that in that time, I really learned a lot about data science, tools around finding data and carrying out, hypothesis testing. Then it was a good, it was a really amazing moment because, with that problem, it expanded my knowledge about, sort of like sourcing for data and, creating pipelines for hypotheses, for future possibilities.
So, we have talked about the benefits. So, what are your demerits? So, what about the frustrating times in your space? Can you tell us some of them?
Sure, I can. Yes. There are a lot of frustrating moments, sort of like when I started, I remember I used to, cry because, you're trying to make something work, and then there's a lot of, red in the code and stuff. And of course, yes, even recently, you sort of like get stuck. I sort of get stuck sometimes trying to make one machine learning model work in the way you want it to work, and then something is wrong somewhere. It's either it's probably a problem with the fact that the data is too small, or the methodology with which you're probably training that model is not appropriate or something, and then you're not sure where to change or what to change or what to do, right? Yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of frustrating moments really.
So sometimes when I'm working on it, when I'm working on something, even if it's on one app like maybe a paid application, maybe something small, and the app does not work, I won't feel good throughout that day. Even if I
Yeah.
sleep and I wake up, I won't feel good throughout that whole day until that problem is solved. And if it's not solved, then
Yeah. I understand.
what do you have to say to the young ones out there watching this video?
Um, to everyone watching, um, I say if you've already taken an interest in computer programming and you have started the journey, if you feel frustrated, it's fine. Truth be told, the exciting thing about challenges is that because of the fact that there's such thing as perseverance, right? The the glory or the success becomes more exciting, or the joy is sort of like bigger because because it was really challenging. So if you persevere, if you continue, you will definitely be success. You'll be better. You'll get to that position you want to get to. You'll definitely be as good as you want to be. You'll build that good stuff. You'll definitely get there. Just continue. So
So thank you for watching this interview. I hope you learned a lot from Mr. Olayinka as he shared his experience and his stories. I hope you too pattern your life and noticing and you learn more stuff. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with lots of people. Bye.